Hey, good morning, boys. So I tried something new today. I was climbing up backwards, and it's pretty interesting. It feels like I can't use my hips very much, or you know, um, bringing my knees up to assist with some momentum. Um, and yeah, so I just climbed up and down. It was really taxing on my support grip, but not so much like the rotator or the lat or too much. It was just like a lot of forearm, really. And then I think I started to compensate by bending the elbow and getting some more bicep. And also when you bend the elbow when you're climbing like that, it gives you kind of a safety net, because if your arm is straight and you reach up and you try and grab and you don't get it, then you're falling. But if you have a bent arm and you reach up and you grab and you don't get it, your biceps supporting you, so you have all that time in the eccentric of your elbow opening up and your bicep supporting it to save you. And so that's why I started doing it. These are, I don't know, these feel really good. I haven't really seen anyone talk about them, but doing like a scap pull and then going back into a dead hang and then initiating like a scap pull into the full pull up and kind of doing that almost like a powerlifting technique. You know how they do like 1.5 reps with a deadlift to like pick it up a little bit, set it down, pick it up all the way. So kind of applying that principle here. It's almost like pre-exhaustion on whatever is responsible for depressing my scapula. And then this is back to the backwards climbing. Here I'm like, maybe a little bit tired still and trying to make sure I have the momentum to get it. It feels like once you get going, it's not too bad, but that first like right here and right there, I don't know, it feels like the hardest part. Yeah, well anyways, take it easy, boys.